In an effort to ensure regulatory compliance, Kraken has hired Howard Bernstein, a former Merriman Capital CCO. Bernstein will oversee the company's compliance program and engage with regulatory officials and lawmakers. His role will also include anticipating regulatory changes and responding to requests for information. Howard has a long history in the financial services industry and previously worked as the head of the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. In this role, he developed the FCA's cryptocurrency guidance and led working groups focused on the UK and EU. He will now oversee the Binance regulatory policy team, which will ensure that the company adheres to regulatory requirements and create a sustainable regulatory framework. The recent boom in cryptocurrency markets has resulted in a variety of regulatory crackdowns across the world. The UK's financial regulator has banned Binance from conducting business in the country, and Thailand's financial watchdog has filed a criminal complaint against the company. However, the company continues to make strides in maintaining a healthy compliance environment. For example, the exchange recently added Cashew and MoneyGram to its payment method list, and has added support for these two payment methods in some countries. It also has a system that supports law enforcement requests. Kraken is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange and also provides services in Japan and Europe. In Europe, Kraken has launched a mobile app that allows people to buy cryptocurrencies securely and easily. In Japan, it has launched crypto trading services and funding services for residents in that country. Moreover, Bloomberg reported that Kraken is in negotiations to raise a new funding round. Binance has hired Christie to lead its compliance team. Christie is the former head of compliance at Kraken and has over 20 years of experience in the industry. He will oversee a team of 750 compliance experts. Before joining Kraken, Christie was with Bitcoin custodian Xapo Bank. While he was at Kraken, Christie managed the company's global compliance and enforcement efforts. He will join Binance in May 2022. The former compliance chief at Kraken supervised the company's global operations for 4 years before joining Binance. This appointment will further strengthen Binance's efforts to ensure regulatory compliance and ensure a fair trading environment. Kraken is an exchange that tracks the price of digital assets and is the fourth largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of spot trading volume. Kraken's announcement follows increased regulatory scrutiny surrounding the company. The firm is currently under a federal investigation, which alleged that it allowed consumers in Iran and other countries to purchase digital tokens. Kraken also announced that it was hiring a new chief compliance officer, and that a relevant job ad would be published within the next few weeks. The company also recently announced the formation of a global advisory board, which includes prominent economists, business leaders, and a former US senator. The company has been closely following the developments in regulation, and is strengthening its compliance branch. Binance has added a new compliance chief to its team. The company hired Christie, formerly the chief compliance officer at Kraken, to lead the company's 750-person team. The new chief comes on the heels of several warnings from regulatory bodies and a visit to the White House by the company's CEO. Powell, who founded Kraken, will continue to work as the company's board chairman while searching for Ripley's replacement. Ripley has served as COO at Kraken since 2016. During his time at Kraken, he led the company's expansion from 5 employees to more than 3,000. Ripley's background in compliance and legal law will be helpful for Binance. The move comes amid growing regulatory scrutiny for cryptocurrency companies. According to a New York Times report, Kraken is under investigation for potentially violating US sanctions by allowing users from Iran to purchase digital tokens. As a result, the industry has seen an increase in the need for legal and compliance talent. Ripley has nearly a decade of experience in the crypto industry. He has worked as a software engineer and has also served as a financial advisor. Most recently, he was COO at Kraken, which acquired crypto wallet funding service Glidra. His vision and mission are the same as Kraken's, to accelerate the adoption of cryptocurrency. The digital currency exchange industry is changing at a rapid pace, with new digital currencies being created every day. This means that exchanges must make decisions on which currencies users can trade. Ripley will have to review digital currency law and upgrade technical systems to make them compliant with regulatory requirements. Otherwise, he could lose a large portion of users because the compliance process is too complicated. Binance has hired the former Kraken compliance chief for the market in crypto assets, MiCA. The new executive will be responsible for developing regulations and oversight for the digital asset exchange. The upcoming regulations are crucial to the success of the crypto industry, and Binance wants to be on the forefront of these developments. The new compliance chief at Binance is Christie, who spent the last 4 years heading global compliance at Kraken. He will now oversee a 750-member global team that includes a cyber investigation team. Christie has extensive experience in the cryptocurrency industry, including as compliance chief at Bitcoin custodian Xapo Financial Bank. The move comes as the EU and European Union are discussing new crypto regulations. MiCA, or Markets in Crypto Assets, is a new framework designed to protect consumers and foster innovation in crypto assets. The EU wants to ensure that crypto assets are legal and stable for EU citizens, as investors have lost billions of dollars in recent crashes. MiCA will help mitigate the risk of these crashes for EU citizens. According to a report from the Financial Stability Board, FSB, the new rules will ban market manipulation of digital assets. As a result, anyone providing services in the crypto space will have to comply with strict requirements. MiCA will also require crypto projects to calculate their environmental footprint. Furthermore, the European Commission is working on a report that identifies the climate-related impact of crypto assets, which will be incorporated into regulations. The market for cryptocurrency is becoming more mainstream. While early adopters did not accept it because of its volatility, it has since proven to be a promising and profitable venture. As a result, governments and financial watchdogs are looking for ways to regulate the market and prevent illicit transactions.